Alright, so what we have here is the first player control stick. Has no there's no click when you press it to the right. So my guy can jump, he can duck, he can move backwards, I can punch, do everything except for move forward. The only way to move forward in Street Fighter 2, I would have to, like with Ryu, use a hurricane kick. It's the only way I can move forward. But the joystick doesn't click at all. Like, you know, I'll move in the camera so you can hear it. There we go. See? When I press down, click, click, click. Left, click, click, click. Up, click, click. But when I press to the right, there's no click. And my guy doesn't move. He can't move up, he can't jump forward. So that's the issue. There's, I guess, something that's supposed to be in the joystick housing that isn't there, or it's there and it's broken. And I opened it up, I took a look, and everything is there. There's little spokes, like little red buttons, like switches. So when you move this, the joystick touches them. But when it hits the one on the right, the forward, the right motion functionality, whatever switch, the switch doesn't work. That's what I need a replacement for. So if you could help me, it would be greatly appreciated. I'd love to review the table. Probably going to use it at a retro gaming event later on, and love to showcase it there. Love the tables, and the other games are pretty good, but ones that I've seen on display have all had problems with one button or the joystick moving forward, like the TMNT and Pac-Man and Rampage ones that I saw at the Groton Walmart. They were all, over the course of 2 years, they've all been kind of wonky. So I took a chance. So I hope you guys can help me out. Thank you.